Hi, I'm Peter with ASUS, and today I'm here to introduce the Chromebook C202. What sets this Chromebook apart is that it's made specifically for the education market. Not only is it lightweight, it's durable, and it's also easy to repair. It comes with an 11.6-inch 1366 by 768 anti-glare screen, an Intel Celeron CPU, up to 4 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of flash storage, which is expandable with an SD card. On the outside, it has all the features you would expect. SD card reader, headphone jack, HDMI 1.4, USB 3.0, Kensington lock, and an HD webcam. It weighs in at just 2.65 pounds, which is about as much as a textbook. It has a 180-degree hinge to help prevent damage, and the keyboard has 15% larger print compared to a standard laptop. The keyboard is also water resistant. If you ever do spill liquid on the keyboard, just turn it over the drain and wipe it down with a paper towel. The body of the C202 is rubberized, which makes it easy to carry, especially with the rubber bumper on the bottom, which gives you a nice firm grip. The edges are also reinforced, which protects it from bumps, drops, and knocks. It can easily withstand a drop from up to 4 feet without skipping a beat. And if something ever does break, all the components are easy to replace. All of these features and this affordable price of the Chromebook C202 make it a great choice for any classrooms or a first laptop for any student. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.